Loves Park offers a welcoming blend of residential charm and everyday activity. While many neighborhoods are peaceful, traffic, nearby businesses, school zones, and daily outdoor noise can still impact comfort inside the home. If outside sounds are becoming a constant distraction, replacement windows can make a noticeable difference. Modern windows are designed not only for energy efficiency and appearance but also for effective noise reduction, helping create quieter, more relaxing indoor environments. Here's how replacement windows help Loves Park homeowners enjoy a calmer, more comfortable home. Multi-pane glass blocks sound waves. One of the most effective noise-reducing features of replacement windows is multi-pane glass. Unlike older single-pane windows, modern replacement windows use 2 or 3 layers of glass separated by insulating space. These layers disrupt sound wave transmission, reduce vibration from outside noise, create a barrier between indoor and outdoor environments. The result is a quieter interior, even in active neighborhoods. Insulated gas fills enhance sound dampening between the panes of modern replacement windows as an insulating gas, often argon or krypton. While these gases are commonly associated with energy efficiency, they also play an important role in noise reduction. Gas fills slow down sound movement between panes, reduce echo and resonance, improve overall acoustic insulation. This extra layer of protection helps soften traffic noise, voices, and neighborhood sounds. Improved seals eliminate sound leaks. Noise often enters through gaps around old or poorly sealed windows rather than through the glass itself. Replacement windows are designed with advanced sealing systems that significantly reduce these entry points. Key features include compression-style weather stripping, tight-fitting sashes, precision-engineered frames. By eliminating air gaps, replacement windows also block unwanted sound from entering the home. Thicker glass options provide extra quiet. Many replacement windows offer the option of thicker or laminated glass, which further improves sound reduction. Laminated glass uses a special interlayer that absorbs sound and reduces vibration more effectively than standard glass, adds an extra layer of noise protection. This is especially beneficial for Loves Park homes near busy roads or community spaces. Proper frame materials reduce vibration. The window frame plays a role in how sound travels. Modern replacement windows are available in materials that dampen vibration better than older frames. Effective frame options include vinyl frames with insulating chambers, fiberglass frames designed for stability, composite materials that resist sound transfer. These frames work alongside the glass to reduce noise penetration. Professional installation makes a major difference. Even the best noise-reducing window will fall short if it isn't installed correctly. Professional installation ensures that windows are properly aligned and sealed. Expert installers secure windows tightly within opening, seal gaps that could transmit sound, ensure consistent performance across all windows. Correct installation is critical for achieving noticeable noise reduction. Improved comfort. Beyond quiet, noise reduction doesn't just improve peace, it enhances overall comfort. Homes with quieter interiors often feel more relaxing and enjoyable. Homeowners notice better sleep quality, less stress from constant noise, more comfortable living spaces. Quiet homes are especially valuable for families, remote workers, and anyone seeking calm after a busy day. Added value and long-term benefits. Noise-reducing replacement windows offer lasting benefits beyond immediate comfort. They also improve energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, increase property value. Buyers increasingly appreciate quiet, well-insulated homes. A better living experience in Loves Park. Replacement windows help homeowners enjoy the best of Loves Park living without unwanted noise intrusion. Whether reducing street sounds, neighborhood activity, or everyday disturbances, modern windows create a peaceful indoor retreat. Quieter living starts with the right windows. Replacement windows are a powerful solution for reducing noise in Loves Park neighborhoods. With multi-pane glass, insulated frames, advanced sealing, and professional installation, these windows transform noisy interiors into calm, comfortable spaces. For homeowners seeking quieter living without sacrificing style or efficiency, Upgrading to modern replacement windows is a smart investment that delivers peace, comfort, and long-term value.